Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review the best products on the market. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about, the ShineGiant 200W Portable Solar Panel. If you're into outdoor adventures, camping, or simply need a reliable power source on the go, you're in for a treat. This solar panel is making waves for its incredible features and performance. Stick around to find out why it's the best portable solar panel available. Let's dive right in. The ShineGiant 200W Portable Solar Panel is designed to cater to all your outdoor power needs. Whether you're out camping, hiking, on a van or RV trip, or simply need backup power, this solar panel has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the key features that make this solar panel stand out. Made for solar generators, this solar panel comes equipped with a 5-in-1 MC4 connector, ensuring seamless integration with various solar generators in the market. Plus, it includes multiple adapter options, expanding its compatibility even further. You can connect and charge different types of solar generators and 12 volts batteries with ease. Lightweight and compact. One of the most remarkable features of this solar panel is its weight. It's 40% to 50% lighter than traditional panels of the same power, weighing only 9.9 pounds. This makes it perfect for outdoor activities where portability matters. High conversion efficiency. With high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar cells boasting a remarkable 23% conversion rate, this panel generates up to 200 W and 10A of power. It's smart too, recognizing your device to maximize charging speed while protecting it from overcharging and overloading. Faster device charging. Compared to other panels, this one delivers a maximum output of 20 volts, 10.1A. This means faster charging times, reducing downtime, and ensuring a continuous power supply, perfect for outdoor adventures or emergencies. Versatile charging options. Besides the standard MC4 output, this solar panel features one DC 5521 port, one Type-C PD60W fast charger, and two USB 3.0 output ports. You can charge not only your power stations but also your cell phone, rechargeable battery, tablet, and various other everyday devices. Waterproof and durable. Designed to withstand high levels of thermal stress, this solar panel is much stronger and more durable compared to other materials. It has an IP65 waterproof and dustproof rating, making it resilient against various weather conditions. In conclusion, the ShineGiant 200W Portable Solar Panel is a game-changer for anyone in need of portable power. Its lightweight design, high efficiency, and versatile charging options make it the best choice for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency situations. Don't miss out on this fantastic Black Friday deal. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an exciting product review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.